This one's kind of hard to see, but I'm working on the birds, the mountains, and some rocks and grass on this part. As I'm doing this, I want to do a shout out to Timu. Again, I bought a 300-piece wooden plaque set. Came in a nice little box with keychains and the hoops to go with it. They link together and make a keychain. Really awesome for $12. Almost finalizing up with the tree keychain, and the last part will be the finished piece. Hope you stuck around long enough to see junk trunk art all the